Which hero do you think you want to be today?
I have mutant powers, and a little demonic magic too.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match?
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
All those crises I quietly put out,
My
you have no idea.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.
Hulk, you look remarkable.
A lot has changed since the Defenders' days, Doc.
Indeed.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
All right, somebody tell me this isn't some kid's birthday party again.
Here is an enemy
I don't
to
think
pursue.
that's the welcoming committee.
Good medicine.
You're most welcome. Follow the enemy!
Behind you! Ouch, dark magic!
You're welcome! My...
Ouch, dark magic! I am strengthened for battle.
Here's what we need. This is real firepower!
Dark magic!
Please, we're hurt!
Hey, team!
Us against the world!
Pulse charge! Fire! Nobody can hang with the pulse cannon.
Oceans, protect me!
The Vishanti guide us to retreat.
I'll patch you up.
Good medicine. Nothing here. Suspicious. Leave me, darkness.
Someone scratch my back.
By the eye of Agamotto! An arcane assist.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
You got them all! Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Here is an enemy to pursue.
You owe me one. Only 60 seconds left.
Armed and dangerous!
Double KO.
Did you see that green ape? I want one.
That's 3.
I'll patch you up.
Down to 30 seconds.
Amplifier in preparation.
We're almost there.
Patience.
Don't give up.
Leave me, darkness. Good medicine.
The final 10 seconds.
This is real firepower!
Out, dark magic.
You'll have to keep fighting until you have a winner.
I'm just dying.
Pulse charge!
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 2,
There is only
go!
one sorcerer supreme.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Saving the world one more time, right, Tony?
It's what we do, Bruce. It's what we do.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
This.
Got it?
Took me years to control this form. There's gonna be a fight!
A shortcut through space. I purge the darkness.
Tandy needs help.
I purge the darkness.
I'll patch you up.
I am strengthened for battle.
Get a little behind you.
And you call yourself strange?
Final score 1-2-0. Another epic victory! Big win! Which hero do you think you want to be today?
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match? Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
When science failed me, magic was there.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Been too long since we did this together, Luna. Ready for an encore?
An Agents of Atlas reunion tour? I don't know.
Can't deny that would be a hot ticket.
Maybe. But I've always preferred the cold. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Giant robots?
What the?
Typical.
Hey, nobody told me they're experimenting on living beings.
Time to heal.
Some uninvited
Good
guests.
medicine.
I'm hurt.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying. You're welcome.
I purge the darkness.
I like the cold. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Leave me, darkness.
Thanks, give me the willies. Too much, I'll patch you up.
Leave me, darkness.
A nice deep freeze. The mission area is yours.
In our honor.
I purge the darkness.
Defend our territory.
I don't think that's welcoming.
Out, dark magic.
Pulse charge!
A nice deep freeze.
Out, dark magic.
That dear.
I am strengthened for battle.
Someone scratch my back. Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Disappear!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Look who's here.
Supernova!
Dark magic!
Glory is almost yours!
Pulse charge! Fire!
Armed and dangerous!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Again!
Bombs away!
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
Yes, please.
See them?
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme. I would knit the dimensions back together if it were within my power.
Time to heal.
Relay deployed! It ain't cheap!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Well, good looks, business acumen. Way to make quite the power couple.
Maybe. But what do you have that I don't?
Take another look. Do you really need to ask that, Tony?
Right. So, when's our first date?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Every spell cast has its price, and my debt is deep.
Watch this spot!
I don't think that's the welcoming committee.
I am strengthened for battle.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Out, dark magic!
Look out behind you. Keep an eye on this spot.
I purge the darkness!
The mission area is yours. We got it.
You're welcome!
I put you on ice.
I am strengthened for battle.
I'll patch you up!
Enemy in front of us! I purge the darkness!
I'll patch you up! My good deed for the day! Supernova!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
You're welcome!
I am strengthened for battle.
Some uninvited.
Out, dark magic!
We have it, and we have to keep it.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
The area's almost yours.
I purge the darkness! By the eye of Agamotto! I am Sorcerer Supreme!
Perfect hit! Armed and dangerous!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Like the door to the window.
I like the cold.
Maximum pulse!
But I am supreme!
I'm hurt. Which hero do you think you want to be today?
I have mutant powers, and a little demonic magic too.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match? The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not to be owned, but to be felt, experienced, lived.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Ben, man, am I glad to have you on our side.
Back at you, Matchstick. Let's get busy.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Finally, someone worth clobbering.
I am strengthened for battle.
Anyone willing to help?
And I'm gonna put exposed.
The Vishanti guide us to retreat.
Here to cause massive destruction.
Where they will.
Better stop that vehicle!
My life was in peril. Thank you.
They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Out, dark magic!
Now I see them.
I purge the darkness! By the eye of Agamotto!
Bright like a star!
Behold! That's the world! Anyone willing to help?
Super!
There's still a chance to stop them!
Again. Focus.
Better stop that vehicle! Co-op time!
My favorite time! Fear Magneto!
Good medicine.
Please, we're hurt! Got it!
Now I'm mad.
You stop them in their tracks!
Leave me, Doc!
Only 60 seconds left.
Thank you. Enemy in front of us.
Your attacks are futile. You get away with it! You get away with it! You get away! Not gonna happen!
Leave me, darkness!
You think I'm afraid of
Down to 30 seconds. You stop them in their tracks.
Attacks are futile.
Team meeting, right here. Final 10 seconds.
Eye of Agamotto!
Best with the amazing Spider-Man!
You'll have to keep playing until we have us against the world.
Watch out, they're headed our way!
Who is behind you, Fly?
I'm bright like a star! Bring on!
Loki gone? Surely he'll be back.
Hey, you go up with the dish.
Dark magic.
Tastes like chicken.
I have unfinished business here. I'm opening a portal. A shortcut through space. I am...
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 2, go!
All those crises I quietly put out, you have no idea.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Your idealism refreshes a battered old soul.
You can't be that old.
Astral projection makes me feel old.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know, if it wasn't for you watching
I am grateful for that.
Your god is suffering.
There's enough!
Ah, splendid. Queen of Hell.
Leave me,
Avengers
darkness!
Tower are not exactly welcome there.
Another epic victory! Big win! Which hero do you think you want to be today? Now, who am I gonna banish from this match? You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Not to be owned, but to be felt, experienced.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The Master Weaver's still struggling to keep the rift safe.
There is great chaos in you, woman. Chaos and darkness.
You're one to talk, Venom.
It was not an insult. We find it strangely attractive.
Somehow you just made me want to save the universe.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am strengthened for battle.
The barriers between dimensions are breaking down. It's up to us.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
I'm trying to help. A little help, please.
I purge the darkness. Good medicine. Leave me, darkness.
You're welcome.
I disappeared.
This is real firepower!
Please, we're halfway there. Keep going.
Somebody scratch my back! You better get a little out!
Dark magic. A timely intervention.
Just embrace the light.
Out, dark magic. Another falls to the sorcerer supreme.
This is real
I
firepower!
am strengthened for battle. By the eye of Agamotto!
No more.
Of course you need to come.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Out, dark magic!
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I want your tail.
Anyone willing to help?
I am strengthened for battle.
A foam of light. All eyes over here. Out of sight.
Leave me, darkness!
Vortex field. So cold.
I'll patch you up.
I purge the darkness!
You rock.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
The emanations of power here. Good medicine. Sound the retreat.
You'll tremend out.
I purge the darkness!
Anyone willing to
Enemy
help?
in front of us!
Away from Nancy Street.
We will guide Spider Zero to the Weaver.
First. Psionic field of pull.
This is real
Reach the
firepower!
checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Vortex field.
This feels empty, yet somehow dangerous.
You're welcome.
A foam of light.
I'll patch you up.
Leave me, darkness!
Love to see the Master Weaver.
Spider Nest is no longer a problem.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Shields up.
Don't mind me.
Good medicine.
Disappear! That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
One couldn't win without the other. We lack strength. Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Get that vehicle moving again!
This is real firepower!
Never mind.
It's Spider time!
More bad guys. Just what we need.
Anyone willing to help?
Turn around. Someone scratch my back.
We're off to see the
An
Master
arcane
Weaver.
assist, so to speak.
Psionic first. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
I am strengthened for battle.
Disabled. Time for some fireworks. So close! This is your big chance!
I purge the darkness. The darkness. Out. By the eye of Agamotto. Out, dark magic. The move.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
be owned, but to be felt, experienced, lived.
Let's pop back up under their noses.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Even the astral realms are torn apart by the time stream entanglement.
Who better to put them back together than you and me?
I like your optimism.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enemy in front of us!
Anyone willing to help? You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Good medicine! Out, dark magic! Leave me, darkness! I am here to help.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
The Vishanti guide us to retreat. The Vishanti guide us to retreat.
He stopped them in their tracks.
I am strengthened for battle. The Vishanti guide us to retreat.
A little help, please.
Leave me, darkness!
Disappear!
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the air!
Us against the world!
Don't mind me.
By the eye of Agamotto! I am here, sir.
Force 2.
The Vishanti guide us to retreat. Sound the retreat.
He stopped them in their tracks.
Enemy in front of us.
Tremble before blast!
Out, dark magic!
Invisible?
By the eye of Agamotto!
The perfect kick!
Out, dark magic! My life force is exposed.
It's clobbering time!
Down! Fucking hurt!
Good medicine.
Better stop that vehicle! They've made it half-lane! Stop them! Disappear!
Leave me, darkness!
Shield! Only 60 seconds left!
More bad guys. Just what we need.
Us against the world!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Enjoy the amplifier!
Out, dark magic!
Down to 30 seconds!
Tremble before
Good medicine.
We can just hold on a little more!
By the eye of Agamotto!
The final 10 seconds!
It's clobbering time!